According to Roman
Happy morning, grade 6, 51 out of 66. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 1 and 2, 28 out of 40. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 9 Jasper, 20 out of 26. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 9 Topaz, 15 out of 26. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 9 Topaz, 25 after 25, all present. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 10 Jasper, 27 out of 28. Thank you.
India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and meditative. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall do my parents, teachers, and all the rest. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. And I will sing and prosperity, long life, and happiness.
National and international news is brought to you by K. Shivakumar of Great Topaz. National news: dancer Midway Devika sign language with mudras, creating an open performance for her differently able audience. International news: Russia President Vladimir Putin makes a rare visit to North Korea and Old Delhi. Thank you. Have a good day.
And for this brought to you by K. Lokaida from Great Topaz. State news: Telangana government focused on skills development of youth to make them globally competitive, says CM. Sports news: West Indies won by 104 runs against Afghanistan. Thank you.
Weather report is brought to you by Hasni from Great Topaz. Today's weather report: minimum temperature 26 degrees, maximum temperature 35 degrees. Thank you.
Everyone, today's thought of the day is brought to you by Sashi Shank of Great Topaz. Thought: self-belief and hard work will always aid new success. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Susmita from Great Topaz. Today's word: amiable, meaning friendly. Friends please spell out for me. Amiable. A-M-I-A-B-L-E. Thank you. Everyone, today's GK questions are brought to you by Shrestha of Great Topaz. Question for grade 1. How many vowels are there in English alphabet?
5.
Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is 5. Let's appreciate it. Question for grade 2. Which month comes after October? I repeat, which month comes after October? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is November. Let's appreciate it. Question for grade 3. Which gas do human beings exhale? I repeat, which gas do human beings exhale? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is carbon dioxide. Let's appreciate that. Question for grade 4. Which is the most sensitive organ in the human body? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is skin. Let's appreciate that. Question for grade 5. Which is the largest the right answer and the right answer is India. Question for grade 6. The Taj Mahal is situated on the banks of which river?
Yamuna.
Yes. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Yamuna. Let's appreciate it. Question for grade 7. Which is the smallest ocean? I repeat, which is the smallest ocean? No, you did not pick the right answer and the right answer is Arctic Ocean. Question for grade 8. Who wrote Mahabharata? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Veda Vyasa. Let's appreciate it. Question for grade 9. How many days does it take for the moon to take one revolution around the earth? No, you did not pick the right answer and the right answer is 27.3 days. Question for grade 10. Greenland is part of which country? I repeat, Greenland is part of which country? Sorry, you did not pick any answer and the right answer is Denmark.
Article on Rajaram. Happy morning to everyone. Today article on Rajaram Mohan Roy is brought to you by K Ganesh of Great 10 Topaz. Article. Rajaram Mohan Roy was a social and educational reformer known for bringing social reform and building a modern India. He is also known as the father of modern India and maker of modern India. Rajaram Mohan Roy was born on 22nd May 1772 in Radhanagar village. His father's name was Ramkanta Roy and mother name was Tarini Devi. Rajaram Mohan Roy took his higher education at Patna in India. He well read and knew several different languages like Sanskrit, Bengali and English. He believed education can modernize and brings changes in the society. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a progressive man who was against social bigotry, orthodox, Hindu ritual and superstitious. He fought against social evil like sati child marriage and the caste system. He also fought for the women and demanded property inheritance rights for them. This great social reformist and the leader died on 27 September 1833 in England. He will always remember to his great social work, especially for cause of upliftment of women. Thank you.